Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today is Wednesday. I thought it'd be fun to bring you guys along with me for a day in my life. My first class got canceled today, so me and John are going to go get brunch. So I'm going to bring you guys along with us. Then I think we're just going to hang out for a little bit, and then we have our second class later today. And then I am expecting a few packages to come in the mail so we can do like a little unboxing. It's going to be a really fun day. I'm going to show you guys my outfit in my big OOTD mirror. I'm starting my pink theme over on Instagram, which is just at Kellyprepster, along with all of my pink outfits until Valentine's Day, which I'm so excited about. So I'm going to show you guys my pink outfit. So this is the fit. I just have on this white sweater from Polo Ralph Lauren. It's kind of like a cropped fit, and then I just have on these pink polka dot chinos from Ann Taylor, and then I just have these little white sneakers from Loft. It's such a cute look. Love it. I'm going to go throw on a big winter coat, and then we're going to head to brunch. Alright guys, we just finished breakfast. We're outside. We're taking a walk right now. We're at like this little lake. We're in a gazebo right now. It's quite the experience.
Yes, it's very cold.
Got John. It's not that cold. It's a little cold.
It's pretty chilly.
It's not super cold, but we're just gonna take a walk. Ooh. We seriously had such great weather for the walk. The sun kind of popped out and it was just so nice. It was kind of like a little bit of a chilly walk since it's only 36 degrees outside right now, but it was just like very refreshing after getting brunch. I seriously ate so much French toast this morning, but it is currently like almost 2 o'clock. My class is at 2, so John dropped me off so I could get my car to head to school, and I'm a little nervous because it is our second week of classes. So last week was like our first week. It was like syllabus week, but surprisingly we got a lot of homework, and I think we're gonna do a group critique today, which I'm like, I'm just not ready for this. My mom texted me while I was out with John, and she's like, Kelly, there's a huge package here. So we will definitely do an unboxing later tonight. Alright guys, hey Google, pause the music please. So I just took the thumbnail. I seriously have so many PR packages to show you from when I was in France. I was gone for, I want to say, a little less than 3 weeks, and they just kind of piled up, which I'm super excited about. We're going to do an unboxing, and it's going to be a lot of fun. I got home from class about an hour ago, and I edited my video, so it's exporting right now. I'm going to hit the gym after this. I think it's going to be like a run, weightlifting kind of day. I'll show you guys my gym fit once I change, but we're just going to do a little unboxing. I'm so excited because I haven't opened half of this stuff, and then I've just been waiting to share it with you guys. So the first thing are these shoes from EASTLAND over on my Instagram, which is just at Kellyprepster. We're going to be hosting a giveaway together. They wrote me a super cute note and have like the little instructions on how to tie their knot, but I just got these super cute like little mock boots. I'm so excited about them. They remind me a lot of the Charlie 1955 boots, which are my all-time favorite boots. I wore them so much. I brought them to France with me, but I just thought these were so cute. I will have them listed down below in case you guys want to check them out. I got them in the tan color. Then I got a PR package from PIXI Beauty, and PIXI Beauty is so special to me just because it was like my first makeup PR package that I've ever got. So every time I get a package from them, I'm seriously so excited. So this one just looks like this, and it has 20 years of glow. So it has like a cream, a toner, a mist, a palette, an eyeliner, a lipstick, and a lip lift max. Love this one because it's a hot pink, and you guys know how much I love the color pink. So this is going to be super fun. I seriously love PIXI's products so much. I use all of their skin line, I use their eyeshadow, and I seriously love their lipsticks and lip glosses. So shout out to PIXI. The next one is from Teddy Blake. I seriously adore Teddy Blake. I have worked with them 2 other times. I have a really fun pink purse and a red purse, and I picked out a new one from their website, and it's the Ava Black Gold Mini, and their packaging is seriously A1. So it just came in a little dust bag, and it looks like this, you guys. I'm seriously in love with it. If you guys are friends with me on Snapchat, which I will put over here, I do add back. You guys might have seen a little sneak peek of this. Isn't it seriously just gorgeous? I love it. It has like the gold detailing on it, and then on the back of it, it just has a gold zipper, and then you open it up like this, and it has a button, and then it just has an adjustable strap you can put on and attach it to the top. So this is seriously so stinking cute. I am so excited to style this. You guys will definitely be seeing that more. If you guys want to see a what's in my purse video, be sure to give this vlog a big thumbs up. And the last package that I got is from Shein. I got this today. My mom sent me a text while I was out at brunch. She's like, Kelly, you got a package. I'm just gonna open this up real quick. Can't remember exactly what I ordered, but I'm excited. So the first thing is a dress, and it's like a long sleeve t-shirt style dress. I really want to start like dressing up a little bit more, kind of wearing more dressier clothes, and I thought this would be like a great way to transition into doing that. And I also thought this would look really cute with tights and a pair of riding boots and like a big necklace or like a monogram necklace. Then we have a pink corduroy. Oh, it's like a jumpsuit. This is cute. Okay, so it's like a pink corduroy overall situation where you can put like a white sweater underneath, but it's kind of like a romper. I saw this. I didn't know I picked it up, but it's super cute. I'm so excited to style this. Then we have a coat, I want to say. Oh, wow. So this is like a pink pea coat. Oh, I'm really, really excited about this. You guys know I mentioned earlier that my pink feed and pink outfits are starting. So I will have to put this on the clothing rack of pink clothes. Then I have some plaid pants, which I saw so many people when I was abroad wearing plaid pants. So I'm super excited about these. They are just like a high rise and they have little buttons to go on it, and then it's actually like a flare fit, which again I did not see a lot of people wearing like skinny fit or skinny jeans while I was there, so I'm super excited to try this out. Next thing are a pair of blue dress pants. These are really nice quality, but again kind of like a straight leg, which I'm excited to try. Love the cobalt blue color. Very thick material for Shein. I love this. I also picked out a plaid pair of pants. It's kind of just in the pants buying. These are again more straight leg. They do have an elastic waist. I tried something like this on at H&M when we were in Paris, and I thought they were so cute. So I was so excited when I saw them on Shein. Next thing is part of a set, which I don't know if I got the, I did get the matching top. So this is one of those matching like skirts and jackets. I can't remember the name of it, tweed. And I thought this was so cute because it has little gold sparkles in it, but it also has a pink and white. So this is the skirt. Then separately I got the matching jacket, which I just think is so cute. Like imagine like a little baby pink or white shirt underneath, and then just like a pair of little like small heels or like flats or something. Oh, so cute. I also got a tweed dress. And I love this one because the back of it has a big bow, which I need to tie. But it's just like a black high neck shift dress. It has these super flattering little buttons right here. And then the back, you tie a big bow at the back of the neck. So I think this would look cute with a ponytail. And then I also got a skirt that is similar. It has the little buttons on the side, which I just thought was very classy and cute. So I will have all of those listed down below, but that is the haul. That was seriously so much fun. Oh my gosh, my room's quite a mess right now, but I am going to finish up editing like I mentioned, and then I'm going to clean this all up. I'm going to put some gym clothes on. I'll show you guys the gym fit, and then we're going to hit the gym. What a great day. All right guys, so I'm about to leave for the gym. I just uploaded my new video, and this is the gym fit. It is from Fabletics. I seriously am in love with it. It's like the perfect color. It's like a purpley pink color combo, and I just paired it with some white sneakers and a white sports bra from Champion. But I'm gonna hit the gym. I'm so excited. It's gonna be a great workout.